convert numbers into words as you see here. It's not so difficult. Go to support.microsoft.com, search spell number, there we go. Click on this result. Scroll down, copy this entire code and go back to Excel. Press Alt F11 and paste it here in the new module. You will see these two errors, just amend it as I do here. Press Alt Q to go back to Excel. Now use the function is equal spell number open parentheses the value close parentheses, and you get this value turned into words. To change it to another currency, go to the code, replace dollars for example with dirhams, then dollar with dirham, cents to fils, and cent to fils. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.